Yes, welcome to Bikes of Rye. Now you may or may not know, but I just recently collected my brand new 2022 BMW S1000R. And whilst I'm only just running the bike in, it's covered 300 miles to date, I have in fact gone ahead and got myself its first performance upgrade. Now these are exhaust headers and they've been sent to me by Black Widow. Now I've used Black Widow before. I actually had a full exhaust system installed on my Yamaha 10 array, and so I was so impressed with their product. As soon as I got my BMW S1000R, I thought, do you know what, I wonder if Black Widow do any exhaust headers. And actually it's worth noting there isn't many manufacturers currently offering exhaust headers or full exhaust systems for the BMW S1000R. So very happy that Black Widow do in fact manufacture them. And yeah, as I say, so impressed. So without further ado, how about we unbox and see what it's saying. Always an exciting part. Always an exciting part. I love performance upgrades. I love getting bits for my bikes. So, as I expected, it was always going to be well packaged. Looks like a link pipe. And another link pipe. They also include fire gun, which is very impressive. I don't believe many, if any, exhaust manufacturers actually provide this. And it's just a lovely little touch because it is worth using that when you install an exhaust. Just saves you having to go and buy it yourself. Cool, there's one of the downpipes. You can just see, can't you, how well it's done? Yeah, look at it's just so beautifully manufactured. Again, another downpipe. Cool, another downpipe. And note as well, they actually number them up, so it makes installation that bit more straightforward and easier, because of course you've got 4 downpipes that need to be hooked up. The packaging actually also is numbered too. Another downpipe, and again you can see the number. And the very last downpipe. Also in the box you do get all your fasteners, your springs and what have you. And there's some plugs as well if you want to obviously. So they're plugs for the O2 sensors. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. I'll have to speak to the tuner whether or not it's worth using those, or actually using, or just keeping the O2 sensors in the exhaust system. So yeah, you can just see how crazy good the quality is. I mean, if you look at all of the welds and stuff, yeah, so impressive. Oh, and also to mention, there is also instructions on how to install the exhaust system too. So there we go. Very impressed. As I suspected from Black Widow, we have obviously top quality materials, you know, high grade stainless steel, all the welds look pucker. And so, of course, I'm ever so excited to get this installed onto the bike. You know, we're going to have the bike set up, we're going to have it tuned, it's going to be rolling roaded. So we will see sort of what the bike is producing like in standard form. And then we'll install the exhaust, have it tuned, and see what kind of gains we get. And of course, not to mention that when you fit this exhaust system, you do reduce the bike's weight quite drastically. In my opinion, it's one of the most worthwhile modifications you can do. So if you want to see how it all turns out, please go ahead and subscribe. And with that said, I appreciate you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know with the thumbs up. And I hope to see you on another one very soon. Thanks for watching. See you later.